My name is Hassan Sheikh. I'm the CEO and Director of Ducorr Middle East, a corrosion management company. We've been in business for around 20 years. I've been working with Murtaza for about 1 year now, just a little bit over 12 months, actually 12 months this month. It's been an outstanding journey. Initially when I met with Murtaza, he proposed a lot of different potential solutions for the challenges that we have in our office, and I thought they were too simple to be deployed. But as we started going through the program, the Action Coach program, and how he was helping me, guiding me, and assessing how I was doing and giving me feedback on my own ideas and on my own methods, it's led me to a point where I have much more confidence in the decisions I make. The business is doing much better. The business processes that we put into place can only get better. The staff is much more motivated, and we're really taking on the market in a totally different way that's catching our competitors and even our customers off guard. They love it. They're thrilled working with us. Our customers are very happy when we execute work and things of that nature. So working with Murtaza has been, in a nutshell, he's helped me to really funnel my energies in the right way by giving me the right set of tools.